Hey guys, I hope you're having a fabulous and a fantastic day today. Chef Roger coming right back at you again. All right, you know what? I'm in a mood for a little bit of soul food, or snack you should say. I want to try some chicken wings today, but I want to do some chicken wings fried up differently. Nice crispy fried chicken wings, but I'm going to do them different. I want to do them in a nice peachy rum glaze. Yeah, it's going to be great, believe me. Check this out. All right, guys, I'm going to start the show. Being it's coming up the 4th of July, it's going to be really crazy with the family coming over. You want to entertain, you want to have really nice snacks out for everybody. Everybody go, it's a big celebration. I got you, believe me. So chicken wings, it's on the list. Okay, I've gone ahead and fried up some nice crispy fried chicken wings right here. Fabulous, believe me. Okay, so I got my saute pan on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some butter to that pan. Put some butter in. I'm going to melt this baby down. Okay. So the butter is in and he's having a party, a whale of a time. And that's what you want to do. You want to melt that butter down. And right before me here, I got some brown sugar. What I'm doing is actually creating a glaze right here. This is the glaze. So you need melted butter, some brown sugar. You want to melt that baby down nice. Okay, so the butter is going, the brown sugar is going, and guess what, guys? Yeah, I'm in Atlanta. Yeah, the home of the peach. So I'm putting some peach preserves right in that pot, right in that saute pan. Oh my God, that is smelling unbelievable. That is smelling so good. Got that peach preserve going on. Beautiful. All right, guys. Fresh peaches. You cannot beat that. I just peeled my fresh peaches today and I cut them up. You don't have to be too neat. Just cut them up in nice chunks because you want a nice flavor of the fresh peach to go ahead and soak up some of that nice brown sugar and that butter, and that's going to release the natural flavor of that fresh peach inside. All right, we're going to let that cook for a while, but today I am doing this wicked glaze. The glaze is being cooked, and while that's being cooked, I'm going to turn that down right nice and slow, so a slow cook. And in the meantime, between time, I'm going to do a nice little salad on the side. How about that? I got my peach nicely simmering in that nice rich syrup, which consists of that brown sugar, that nice peach preserve, and I got some butter in there, and that's cooking down nicely. I'm going to also add some rum. I'm going to let that cook in there, let that simmer. All right. Stir that in. Just a little flavor of the rum makes a huge difference. The flavor is going to release from all that fresh peach I just cut inside. Okay. All right. So now I'm multitasking. I'm doing on the side a nice little summer salad. I like to do this because it works so well. Okay, for this, I'm using an artisan mixed salad right here. Now I like to arrange these nice in the bowl. And when I'm doing salad, I think about a lot of things. I think about color scheme. I think about height. I think about presentation a lot. So this is what I do. I like to bunch my salad sometimes just to create some height. So it has somewhat of a focal point. If you're coming from a distance, or if you're dining on the other table and you're looking over, if you take a peek over to the other diner table, you see something nice. You want to say, oh my God, I want to try that. Okay, I also have some kidney beans right here, along with some string beans, some French beans, and also I have some mango. What I'm gonna do is add the beans, kidney beans, and the string beans to my mango, which I've diced up with some red peppers inside. And this is really nice. This has a really nice flavor with the this is a chili vinaigrette, chili lime vinaigrette. So the lime is actually it works fabulous because it brings out that natural flavors from the rest of the vegetables and the fruit. Now I'm just going to toss this together. And everybody's having a party inside. Everybody's having a whole little party inside here. Okay, let that sit there for a while. Like I said, guys, I'm multitasking, so that's going to sit there for a while. Right over here on my left, I'm going to add these nice wings, crispy wings that I fried earlier, to my sauce or my glaze. Okay, so let that baby go ahead and simmer. Let that release some of that good chicken flavor, along with that that nice little peach flavor going on inside. Okay, so back to our salad over here. I've tossed my mangoes with my kidney beans, and that's what it looks like. Pretty colorful. I like colorful salads. All right, and I've arranged my lettuce in my bowl right here. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna gently spoon my salad in my bowl. The salad's already dressed because it's dressed with that nice chili lime vinaigrette. The beans, them kidney beans, man, they're so nice. So that's my little summer salad right there. I put that right there. Okay, there you have it. Two salads, two summer salad. And I'm just showing you two different ways you can present your salad. You can present your salad in a nice little bowl, or you can put in a martini glass, or you can put in a nice little, handy little bowl. This is more personal. I think these presentations are more personal. This is packed with flavor, guys. I mean, you're gonna love this salad. You can go ahead, you can actually grill some tofu if you're into tofu, and you mix that in with the mango. If you're not into mango, you can also use some pumpkins. Dice the pumpkin. You can actually blanch them, or you can actually pan roast them, or roast them in the oven. Sprinkle some paprika or some herbs, and you toss them in with your whatever fruit you want. Maybe you want to use some pineapple. You can go ahead and dice the pineapple, and I like to roast my pineapple. I torch them, use a blowtorch, or probably just roast them on the grill, dice them up, and toss them in, because roasting your pineapple releases that nice flavor, and it's not so citrusy and sharp and pungent when you're eating it. So that's a nice way of doing it. Okay, guys, so here we have our chicken wings right over here to my left. Now, I think we're doing fabulous over here, and my chicken wings are ready. We are ready, guys, and I'm gonna plate this. So we start by plating our chicken wings. What this did was just to soak up some of that great flavor from the peach syrup, and that peachy goodness is just awesome right there. It's just awesome with that fresh fresh peach that I've sliced up. It's just amazing. This is one of the ideas you can use for the holidays. I like to grab some of that nice fresh peach and just put that on top. These mine should get softened up nicely, and just put that on top right there. Beautiful. All right, so we got that. I like to make my food look attractive, so I'll put a little garnish on it right there. And there you have it, guys. Our nice peachy wings with some fresh peach, a little bit of hint of rum. You have some Jamaican rum or whatever rum that you choose or you like, you know. Put some rum in it. It brings out the flavor. And I got this juice going on right here. You can put a nice little ramekin. With some of my buddies, they like a lot of sauce. So the sauce is right here. Put that right there, just like that. Just like that. Present a nice clean plate. And there you have it. A nice peachy wings for the holidays, along with some summer salad. And whatever fruit is in season, guys, go ahead and get them, use them up. You know, utilize your fruits. And, you know, have fun cooking. Guys, it was great as usual coming to you again. Take good care of yourself, bless up, and I'll see you again next time. Respect.